Excuse me. Testing. Okay, gonna resume work on my little game. So I think I'm a little bit tired of working on the UI, right, from last time. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to do some refactoring of my debug console. Just a moment, eh? Just gonna do some refactoring. No biggie. So I have this part here, right? My debug console start off like really simple. So if I run it, excuse me, apologies. So let me just compile my game. So I have this debug console here, you know, I have stuff like restart, some commands like restart all, you know, I have commands like go to a specific room, right? Ignore this thing here, go to a specific room, like 67, there you go. And the thing is, over time, right, I realized I need to add more and more commands, so coding it like this, you know, a series of if statements, no longer seems as feasible. It's not very scalable. So I'm going to refactor it a little bit so that it's a bit more manageable, I'll say. So, I feel like I will have to have a map of callback functions, a map of functions. So let me try that out, yeah? Make sure I destroy the map when I no longer need it. Just good practice to do that. Avoid memory leaks and whatnot. Okay. So I have a few commands here. I have restart all. Let's just, yeah. I'm just gonna naively do all this and see if everything works out correctly. Let me think, eh? Let me think. I want to do it at the end, I feel. I want to do it all the way at the end. So, define callbacks. So the idea is I want to be able to export my debug console as an extension that I can reuse in the future. So, you know, I don't have to. So I guess putting all this code here makes it a little bit less reusable. So, put it here. Excuse me. Let's try this out, yeah? Maybe I should have like a function like this. Add command. Command name. Func. Guess I can do it like this. Wait, why is it complaining? Okay. let me think, eh? I can find value. Let me take a look at the documentation, see what it says about all of this. Let me close. Okay, close my tabs. So I want to find and see if a key has already exists. If no such key exists, then the function will return undefined. Very good. Very good. So undefined. If it is not undefined, m commands followed by command name. If it's not undefined, I'm going to throw an error. How do I throw an error again? I kind of forgot the syntax for this. Just a moment. Throw. Oh, I just threw a string. Alright. Why not? I believe the default behavior, if I did not catch an error, is the game will just stop and it will throw a dialog box printing out the exact message I'm going to type here, which is debug command already added. There you go. Excuse me. Apologies. Hope that's not too loud. Function here. Yeah. Would that work? That looks like it could work. So I'm going to add command. Let's add the restart all. Let's add the function there. I'm just going to type it in place. It's easier that way. Arguments like that. Wait, I guess it doesn't need an argument in here. Again, I'm just doing some basic refactoring, so the code is a little bit more manageable, hopefully. Let's take a look. Arguments. Yeah, okay. Let me think, eh? Yeah, fine. Excuse me. Let me think. Okay. I might just need to define, write a few more, write a bit more comment on how the format of the callback should be like. So, argument arg is an array. So I can put like something like this, but I guess I don't really need it for this particular command. So arg is an array. At index 0 is the name of the command, and so forth, and so forth. There we go. You know what? Let's work on the second one. Restart. Just write the command for this as well. Not command, command. What am I saying? That restarts the room. Excuse me. I guess I don't need to define this. It doesn't really matter. Like that. Okay. Room restart. Fix up the formatting a bit. What's next? Next is go to scene. So it's go to. Go to. This one requires an argument. Yo, Lucius. Yeah, I mean, I thought I would squeeze in a little bit of work. You're sure after I finish? Sure. Sure, that'll be fun. Maybe I can, if there are enough people around, then maybe we can do a raid. Let's see. Still think it's a little bit nuts that you are playing hard mode blind. Doesn't that like kinda spoil your experience for a bit? It's because it seems rather extreme, kind of difficulty. Or are you into that kind of pain? You think normal would be too easy? I see. Because you're a veteran at the series, right? Live reload. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just doing some refactoring of my code, right? Because like this part here is starting to get long, and it's no longer. It's not very manageable anymore, so I want to change the way I code this. Oh! Let me show you something. You wanted to see DayX, right? Let me show you something. Hang on, Oh, before that, hang on. There's someone asking me questions. Okay, answered. Now, let me just open up DayX. I don't have that emote added, I think. Excuse me. I drank coffee and now I couldn't stop coughing. Let me just look for tools. I don't understand the Among Us. Oh, I see. Among Us. I don't understand. I still don't understand why it's supposed to be funny. I think I'm getting too old for the for the memes. Anyways, DayX here. Right, let me drag this in. It's one of our earliest game jam as a team. So yeah, let's try it out. Right. It's a little bit on the pretentious side, by the way. You have an idea like the whole game will be in the house instead? Oh, sure. Oh crap. Oh crap, forgot. This was made in Hexflixer way back. Yeah, I killed the doggo, that's right. You can kind of cheese the enemy. This was based on this game called Don't Look Back, I think, by Terry Kavanagh. It's also a Flash game. Unlimited ammo, yeah. There's this thing where after you shoot a bullet, right, you cannot shoot another one until the current bullet exits the stage. So there's this weird thing going on there. Ah crap. There you go. Right, and then there's this pretentious walk back. Now that I'm playing it, right, there's a lot about the controls that's not responsive at all. I would do this so differently now. Right, there's this thing here that now appears. You can't go right anymore, right? Let me check. You can still go right, but nothing happens. Oh yeah, after the boss you cannot go right anymore. That's a wall there, so you cannot. Then you go back home, and then that's the end. Right, and then you can see our names there. There's 3 of us. Yeah, that's it. That's it. There's a lot about the controls that feel so terrible now. Like, you know, I think that was made like 6 years ago. So yeah, 6 years is a long time for us to change the way we do things. So what's the deep edgy meaning? I don't remember. I don't remember. It's up for interpretation, to be honest. So if you want, I'll send you the thing, and then you can think about it, I guess. Okay. Anyways, let me just resume work on this. Hang on. I keep getting contacted on Discord. Oh, okay. Nothing. So today is a school day, that's why I'll be getting quite a bit of messages. Where am I? Aha. ARG. I'm just going to put ARGS. ARGS, so I don't have to change the way I name my variable. Rather, I don't have to change the way I name my parameter. Okay. After go to, what is it? After go to is live reload. Did you send me something? Yeah, that's you. Stop sending me knuckles. Anyways, ARGS. Look at him, he's so cute, yeah. But he's an outdated meme, isn't it? Who even made it? I don't get it. It's 100% unofficial, right? So, who made that? It's the only animal you like, I see. It's from VR chat, right? It's based on Knuckles from Sonic, right? So, what's the animal? How do you pronounce the species of the animal? Echidna or something? I don't know how to pronounce the name of the animal. Echidna, right? Echidna. CSV. They have 4 penises, really? Amazing. Is that why you like them? Because it's got 4. Add command. Just refactoring, yeah. Smart towel. Because of the meme, it looks derp, right. Sure. Whatever you say. Okay, clear data. Okay, let's try that. Clear data. Clear. How was performance for you yesterday? Because I see that you're running the virtual avatar, right? Was it intensive? Does it look like it was lagging on stream? It's fine. Oh, okay. On stream it's fine. It's fine. I think it looks fine, but I was just wondering. You know, sometimes on stream things looks okay, but when you're playing the game, you can kind of feel that there's some latency or some lag, right? So I was just wondering whether the performance is affected. So it seems like it's fine for you, eh? That sounds great. You had it on the whole stream, you just hide it for the first half. Oh, interesting. Why though? Why would you hide it? Wow, why is this music? There's one part where it frozen, but when the skull enemy did attack. Oh yeah, I saw it. I think it's the particles that's killing your performance. I think it's done. I think it's done. Let's try changing this whole thing here. I'm going to comment this away. Alright, make my code shorter. I'll see if that works or not. So what I need, right, is I need a way to loop through the entire map. Hey, no, I don't need to loop through the entire map. It's even easier. What I need to do is I need to identify if the provided command is available or not. So what I do is excuse me, command equals to args 0. So I'm going to just assume, right? Assume args is not empty, which I think is a safe assumption. It's always not empty. Then find. This is the part that I always forget. Like I always have to look up the documentation. But I think you can find the first element of the map like so. Right, it's kind of like iterators in C++, I guess. So, oh wait. This one returns a key, right? Key. I think it returns a key. I'm just going to assume it returns a key. No. What am I doing? You see, I'm dreaming. I just need to find value. I'm dreaming. Find value. That's all I need. Command. Okay. And then let me think, Let's call it callback. Callback if it is not undefined, alright, not undefined, that means I can execute it. So I believe I can execute it like this, ARGS, and then that's it. So I can squeeze all of that into this, alright, and then I have all my callbacks at the bottom. Right, so that means if I want to turn my debug console into an extension, I can just delete the stuff below and then I can export it for future projects, it seems. Okay. Or maybe I can separate this into a separate script, but so that is done. Let's test it out. What link is that? Mighty number 9. What about Mighty number 9? Let me check. Berserk Boy. Oh, IGN. IGN. Wildly colorful and exuberant 2D action platformer Berserk Boy is the premier title from developer Berserk Boy Games. Oh, I've seen this so many times on Twitter. It's so cool that it's gonna finally come out. Where is it coming out? Next year. Oh, it's still quite some time away. Still quite some time away. Cool. You follow the artist on Instagram. Ah, I see. Okay, I'm going to try and see if this works, yeah? Restart all. Yeah! Works. Go to 00. Yeah, works. Go to 67. Works. Clear data. Oh! Bloody hell. Let me check why that didn't work. Ah, of course. Of course. ARGS. There we go. See, I got careless. I got careless. Any reference to the argument, I have to remember to put this in. The function definition. Let me try again. Oh, hang on, eh? Another someone asking me a question again. Hang on, let me just reply. Can I get back to you around 7? Currently occupied. Okay. Hello, Potato! Gonna do your TDD? Okay, sure thing. Sure thing, have fun, man. Have fun doing your TDD. What's that TDD? Technical design document, I guess. Have fun. Okay, I'm just gonna do a clear data. There we go. I got it. Everything is working. Search hours. Okay, so I've done my refactoring. That was quicker than I thought. I can delete all this away, make it clean. Done. I don't feel like working on my progress bar today though. What should I do? What should I do? Ah! I feel like doing some logging of information on the screen itself, so I don't have to always look at my console output here. So I don't know how I should do that. I mean, I haven't thought about the design, but I'm just gonna wing it and see if I can get it to work. Let's see. But before that, let me get a drink of water. Perfect.
Give them a satisfaction they couldn't get any other way.
Give them a satisfaction they couldn't get any other way. What does that mean? Oh. The no pants dance. Huh. No pants. Now the question is, should I implement this inside my debug console? Or should I implement it as a separate object? I think I'll implement everything inside my debug console. Why not, right? Why does the title has a BTTV emote? Because the emote is just called dance. Because the emote is just called dance. So I think what the BBTV does is whatever the plugin does is just replacing the text with the icon. Yeah. So it's some kind of a naive replacement of text. Probably. I mean, that seems like the most logical explanation. So, alright, it's time to bring out my tablet and draft out what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is my screen, alright? I want my debug console object, right, to have a separate functionality of printing text onto the screen itself. Alright? So maybe I will support up to like maybe 10 entries. Alright, and you know, if I exceed 10 entries, then what happens is the top pops out. So it's kind of like a, let me think, I guess a queue. It's kind of like a queue. Let me take a look at the queue well, in GameMaker. Take a look at the queue in GameMaker. Let me adjust myself on my seat. Oh, bad posture. Queue. Q-U-E-U-E. First in, first out. Kinda need a way to loop through the queue. Doesn't look like there's a way to do it, yeah. Then I guess I will implement it as a list then. Because in the list I can erase specific elements, right? Let me check. Should be able to do it. So certain functionalities I just don't remember, I have to keep looking it up every time. But I believe I can delete a specific object. Oh, this music is a bit loud, hang on. Unsinkable. So position is the index. Where in the list to delete the value? Okay, wonderful. Let's do that. Let's use the list instead. In fact, I already have a text queue somewhere here. So let's have a separate one. I'm just going to call it mlock. Locks. Create. Oh, camera died again. Okay. I'm going to command that this gets rendered to screen. There we go. Let me think. Hello, Colorzor. Which bug? Hello, Colorzor. Which bug? Is it the bug? What was the bug from last time? Yeah, but the bug that I was doing last stream, I already fixed it on stream. I fixed it before I went off. Yeah, but what was the bug again? I cannot remember. Some UI progress bar thing, right? Yeah, I fixed that already. All of the bugs. All the bugs, no. I have some low priority bugs that I have yet to fix. Yep. Excuse me. How's it going, man? Locks. Yeah, but aside from that, the major stuff has been fixed already. Locks. 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 Oh yeah, right. I need to clean this. Locks. So DS list. Destroy. Locks. There you go. Making progress, need to remember how to do melee combos. Wow. I would love to know your process for the hitboxes, because I think like hitboxes in a beat 'em up, hitboxes are very much tied to the frame themselves, right? Like certain frame has a hitbox, certain frames does not have one. So like what would be a nice way of doing it, especially in Game Maker? So I tried doing it in Project Dungeon. I tried doing it using sequences, but looking back, right, it's still very cumbersome. There's a lot of things I have to work around. It's rather troublesome. So I wonder if there's a easier way to do it. Yeah, would love to know your process. Okay, locks. I'm not sure if this is a good idea. This function is called lock. This one is called locks. Is it confusing? Lock to console. I'm just gonna call it screen locks then. Screen locks. Much more obvious. There we go. You're actually using a template, but there's a blog on how it's implemented too. You get the link. Hey, thanks, man. Let me take a look at the template. It's amazing, right? Like all of these developers are releasing their templates like that. Examples of hitbox for 4 different weapons, blah blah blah. Frame data management, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I wonder like how much work goes into it. It's like I have some ideas in mind, but all of those ideas requires like quite a substantial amount of work for it to work. I imagine that's whatever work has gone in here is probably quite a lot, right? Let me check. Oh, half an hour! Amazon App Store developers, what? That's the hitbox. Oh, they send it up in code. Set up in code, really? Is there a more visual way to do it? It's another link? Oh, cool. Let me check the link. Ah, thanks. Stay machine, yes. Juicing your movement, yes. Yes. Yeah, it's done in code. Hitbox create, yes. Well, I guess it's nice that they have it set up in code. But it would also be nice if it supports a visual way of importing your hitbox. So it's very much code based, I see. Still cool. Still very cool. Because it supports stuff like ignore this, right? Which is like a collision matrix, I imagine. Nice. Nice. I have something like this in place in Project Dungeon. But maybe not as extensive, I think. Yeah, because they have what? X stun, hit stun. That's cool. Is visual look at the GIF? What? The setup, right? No, I mean visual in that when you define your hitbox position, you can do it visually. Is there really a way to do that? Let me check. So I don't see anything visual. Like this is just the debug hitbox. GM. Oh, I see. GM live. Okay. That's a great answer. GM live. Right. Yeah, I guess that works. This is Game Maker after all. Yeah, what I had in mind is I was thinking, right, when you import your sprite sheet, you have a separate sprite sheet just for the hitbox, and then you have a separate pass to look through the pixel data in the second sprite sheet and generate your hitboxes from there, which I think could work too. It's just going to be, there's some work involved, right, to set everything up. But afterwards, it would be pretty nice, right, if you can just define your hitboxes inside a visual program. Yeah, that's the reason why in hang on, let me find my Project Dungeon. So that's the reason why in Project Dungeon I ended up using sequences, because I really like that. I don't want to define my hitboxes in code. Hang on, but sequences ultimately doesn't seem like a very nice way to do things. Sean Spalding does it that way. Which way? The sprite sheet way? That's nice to know if he did it the sprite sheet way. You do not recommend any of. I understand. Okay, let me just wait for this to load. I haven't run this in like forever. Project Dungeon, I kinda. What? Older IDE? What? Oh right, it has been that long. So what happened to my? What happened to my asset tree? My whatever you call that. What the sequence? Wait, did I? Oh, filter. Sorry. What? Why is everything hidden? What the hell? Oh. Hmm? I don't get it. Now this is appearing. Oh my god, what is going on? Game Maker left the building. What the f- Oi! I want to see my sequences. Come on. Oh my god. This is the first time I've ever seen something like this. Come on. Come on, Game Maker. Come on. You see, my sequences is empty. Why? Player. Oh, there we go. No, that's just sprite. Attack. I forgot. What is it called? Sword? Sword? There we go. Sequences. So, yeah, I don't know what the hell is wrong with Game Maker. Go to top. Ah! Go to top. Reset layout. Let's try that. Yes. You're a genius. Okay, there we go. This game died. Anyways, I wanted a visual way of defining hitboxes, so that's what I mean by, if you notice, there's a layer here called hitbox. And then, for the first 2 frames, there's no hitboxes because it's not so trigger anything yet. And then in the 3rd frame, you can see the hitbox appear, and then I can edit the size of my hitbox frame by frame, like that. So in this entire attack sequence, right, the hitbox only exists for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5 frames, or 4 frames rather, and that. So I like the visual way of defining stuff like this, so it's easier to, in the future, to make adjustment. Yeah, but the problem with sequences is that I have to do a lot of weird workaround in order to get through this problem. So, nope. I think in the future I'll rather set up my own system. Sean does something like that. Yeah, I see. All the time spent on the shadows. Yeah, but the thing is, Lucius, whatever effort I spent on the lighting, the 3D lighting in a 2D environment, right? All of that will come in handy in the future. In fact, in Jump Juboa, right, I have the meta ball effect for my lighting. That is also like somewhat inspired by what I've done for Project Dungeon. So like nothing is truly lost, I guess. Like everything that I've done and learned will eventually make its way into future projects. The Amazon thingy is way more dynamic and can work with any and every object. Ah, right. Yeah, I see. I noticed it uses instance create. Is this like a Game Maker 1.4 thing? Oh, it's 2017. It's very cool though. Like it has all of these things set up. Hang on, let me take a look at what it supports. Hit stun, yes. So hit stun data is actually written into the hitbox itself. That's interesting. I guess I can copy this. In the future, I might do this. This ignore list, I implemented it differently. I implemented this one differently. X hit, X offset, right. I imagine this offset is the offset from the player, right? I'm guessing. Yeah, that's awesome. You know what? I think I need to bookmark this. Hang on. I'll just read it up so that I don't like mess up anything in the future. Done. Why, thank you. That's for the future. 93% cut. Peer pressure me into making a level so I can hit my 99 level before June. I feel like I need to work on the new mechanics already in order to, you know, how do I put it? I need a new mechanic and levels for the new mechanic. Yeah. But I guess I'll work on it over the weekend. Right now it's a bit difficult for me to work on it because I still have part-time work. But still, that's the only stuff that needs converting. All other stuff works fine. Understood. How long was this Jump Jobber project supposed to last? I started it last October, so it's lasted way longer than it should have. Let me think. October, November, December, January, February, March, April. Oh shucks. Oh man. Oh man. Damn it. And I still have so many things I want to do for this. Crap, man. Yeah, I said I was gonna finish it in December, right? It just goes to show how terrible I am at estimating the workload of a project. Yeah, but don't worry, like I have the pre-alpha already, and the pre-alpha has like at least a significant amount of content, so I should be able to get this done. But I also don't want to just release it without like some kind of narrative for the game. Like I feel like it needs an additional oomph, right? Additional X factor. I don't know. Let me think about it. Yeah, but whatever it is, right? It's my intention to release the game this year for sure. So yeah, I'll launch it in July, I think. Easiest mechanic of your life, just make dark levels. Release it now, we are in the distribution A. Miyamoto is outdated A. Oh, before I say anything, right, my game dev idol is Miyamoto. He's the reason I'm making games. Yeah, it's the reason I'm making games. Shigeru Miyamoto, the creator of Donkey Kong, Mario, Zelda, Star Fox. Yeah. Yeah, it's my game dev idol. He's the reason I'm in this. But interestingly, the game that acts as the what's that thing called? Catalyst? The game that truly pushed me to pursue game development is Metroid Fusion, which is not by Miyamoto. So I guess Nintendo, right? Nintendo is the reason I'm in this. So I really love Nintendo games. Zelda game, come on, man. Lucius, are you trying to start something? Okay, what am I? I need to write. I realize I have my variables defined everywhere. Let me put it up there. Okay, there we go. Much nicer. Screen locks. Zelda isn't trash. Zelda is awesome. You've never finished a Zelda game in your life, right? Ah, I see. I guess the loop might be a bit tedious for you then. Which one? But I thought you said you like Majora's Mask. Screen locks. Oh, you never finished. The thing about Zelda is that it's extremely influential. So you know, if you play a lot of those action adventure models, the Zelda has its influence on like almost all of them. Right, of course now Zelda has reinvented itself, so now Zelda has taken a lot of influences from games like Skyrim. Yeah, but you know, games influences each other, I guess. Screen lock. So what am I supposed to do with this screen lock? Oh yeah, I need to draw. Draw screen lock. Draw screen locks. You just watch a let's play. Serious Scrambler is a way better. No way! No way! No way. Yeah, but with e-distribution, right? It does seem like game nowadays, right? Even if there are bugs on launch, it's possible to fix them, which is a nice touch, which is a nice thing, right? It's a nice change to the industry. It's not like in the past. It's not like in the past where any bug is permanent. I quite appreciate that aspect of e-distribution. Wait, what am I doing? What am I doing? 4 size is equals to DS list. What are you doing, Lucius? You played Minish Cap, Link to the Twilight Princess, Skyward Phantom Hourglass, Spirit Tracks. Wow, you actually played Spirit Tracks. That one I have not played. So I played Minish Cap as well. I finished it. I did not finish A Link to the Past. I played Twilight Princess and finished it. I played Skyward Sword and finished it. Skyward Sword is a little disappointing. I did not play Majora's Mask. Ocarina I played and finished. Phantom Hourglass I played and finished. Spirit Tracks I didn't get to play. Oh, is my stream stuttering? Oh, I'm sorry. It's probably because of the Wi-Fi. Yeah, I should fix it soon. What is going on? Okay, that shouldn't be the goal though. You should strive to make a good game eventually. Yes. I'm not saying that. We can just push a game out willy-nilly. I'm just saying that the option to patch the game is quite a load off our shoulders as developers, I guess. Because in the worst case scenario, you can fix things. It's kind of like No Man's Sky, right? No Man's Sky launched to negative press, but it's now considered a good game. The combat in Zelda is just attack, wait for enemy to open weak spot, attack 3 times, so now block. Combat in Zelda is not supposed to be complex anyways. It's part of the draw in Zelda is in the exploration and the puzzle solving. There's some people mindset though, like oh, No Man's Sky came back, but you as an indie dev don't have EA money. Wait, sorry, I don't quite understand. There's some people mindset though, like No Man's Sky came back, but you as an indie dev don't have. Well, I don't follow. I don't quite follow. You as an indie dev don't have EA money. Oh, you mean EA money to fix the game? Is that what you mean? To fix and patch the game? I ended the quotation too late. Oh, but you as an indie dev don't have EA money is referring to... It's your words, right? I see. Yeah, it's true. I don't know, man. Business, selling games seems to be really difficult for an indie developer. Because the truth is that sometimes we how do I put it? At some you just cannot afford to keep developing the game because you either run out of money or it just doesn't seem like you can make back the amount of money that justify the amount of time you invested into the project. So what then, right? What happens then? That's the kind of the reason why way back when we were making, say, Flash games, right? There's within the Flash game community, right? There's a saying that you should not spend more than 2 or 3 months on your Flash games, because you're not going to make back the money, right, to justify that amount of investment into a project. That's for Flash games, because when it comes to Flash game sponsorship, right, there is a ceiling to how much money you can get, so you have to plan your project in such a way that it can be done in just a couple of months. There are exceptions, of course, but most of the time you have to finish the project in a short time. People will look at these big games that came back, but as if you're a small fry, people wouldn't take a second look at you because you're not them. A small fry, so first impression count. Right. True. I'm not arguing against that. In fact, I'm not for or against Devious Oatmeal's response on the Discord server as well, right? He said that the quote is no longer true. If you notice, I didn't say anything about whether I agree or disagree. I'm kind of neutral on all of this stuff. Just make good games, or at least try to. Yeah. But isn't that what every indie developer strives to do? Making good games? Eh? What am I doing here? Oh my god. DS list size. Na. Some want to make a lot of money and forgot to put passion in their games, and it shows. Really? Because the thing is, I feel like if you want to make money, games seems to be a terrible choice of career, right? If your intention is just because I think you can make money easier outside of games. Right, especially for us coders, right? The starting pay for like for a lot of computer science grad in say some software companies, right? The starting pay is a lot higher than in game studios. At least in Singapore, that seems to be. Oh, the stuttering issue is getting worse, is it? Hang on, let me shift my laptop. I'm just saying that if the intention is to make games, no, if the intention is just to make money, the game industry seems to be not exactly a good choice to get into, right? If the only concern is to make money, because it seems like other industries are probably more lucrative than games, because games is so saturated. Right. Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Look at the amount of idle games and... Yeah, I guess there are people that just want to get a good cash grab. But why though? It's even... If you want the cash grab, why choose games? People look at games like Flappy Bird and Angry Bird and whatever and see, oh, this was made, how I can do. Yeah. I guess in that case they will get a rude wake up call. Because making Flappy Bird now is never gonna make money. I see what you mean. I see what you mean. Okay. Let me just draw this. Because people want to be the next big thing. Right. Right. Maybe there's something I don't understand. Like, why would they go into? Why do they go into games for a quick cash grab? Seems like the hardest way to for a cash hardest industry to make quick buck in. Okay. What am I supposed to do here? GUI. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Ah, okay. 5. I'll just hard code the. I'll just print everything to the top left, but not too high up. How's the stuttering? Is it still stuttering? Or is it better now? Because I've been doing this dual PC setup for the past few streams and it was okay, so I'm not quite sure why it's stuttering so much now. Because I did not link my two computers together, right? I'm just relying on Wi-Fi. Not the smartest thing to do, I'm sure. Okay. Why do I have so many of this? Hang on. Oh, there's a lot of colors. Okay. Is that it? Lock to screen. Vel. Okay. Okay. But as a mostly solo developer, I have found that you do need to occasionally compromise on your vision. Sometimes you have to settle for just good enough rather than being perfect. Otherwise, it's very difficult to release anything at all. That's the one thing I've learned over the past few years. Screen locks. Screen locks. Ah. Hey. I'll just do this. Get myself some of these. Hey, what is this? Is that a repeater or something? So I can have a wired connection, but does it? Hey, hang on, wired connection. What is that thing called? What is this thing called? So does this thing like link? Is it linked to the router? TP link. Oh, TP link. Cool, man. Thanks. That looks nice. I put one in the router and one in the PC, on console, on TV or whatever. Ah, I see. I was looking up like what are my options, and it seems that I can also just manually link up my two computers with an Ethernet cable, but I do need to do some configuration work properly. Power line Ethernet. TP link I think it's called power line Ethernet. Cool, man. Thanks. Yeah, I guess I. Okay. If size is less than 10, magic number. Okay, you know what? I'll just write here max size 10. DS list. Got a meeting? Ah, okay, cool, man. Thanks for dropping by. I appreciate it. See ya. See you soon. Okay. Screen locks. Well, right. I'm dreaming. Okay, else. like bloody hot. Okay. Okay, let's. This works, right? Let me try a few things. Hey. All right. Let's. Oh. They only appear if I. Ah, damn. Oh, damn. I have to put it on top. There you go. Damn it, it crashed. It crashed because there is a local variable that I'm with. Oh, oops. There you go. Hello, Ding! What's up, Ding? How's it going, man? Oh, damn, it crashed again. What am I doing? Interval, right. Interval. On leave today? Awesome. You working on your game? What the? Oh, damn. Forgot about this. Hang on. Ah. So ugly. Oh my goodness. So ugly. So ugly. I guess I don't have to set the font here. I don't have to set it twice. Been procrastinating. Ah. Yeah. It's really hard to finish a game sometimes, right? Like sometimes you look at the workload, it's so hard to finish. I have that problem sometimes. Let me just try logging this every frame. I don't know, when that happens, I just... In the worst case scenario, I just write one line of code and call it progress. But you know, at least one line of code is better than no lines of code. Or sometimes I just start to scale down my project if it's getting too much. It's getting to be way too big for me to handle, I just scale it down. I don't know, man. Okay, let me just try something. Let me just try something here. Excuse me. Player. Hello, Amanda. Yeah, to get a little bit of work done. Managed to make some changes to my debug console. I refactored some stuff. Big fan. Hi, big fan. It's weird. It's all Lucius. Don't know why he started that. Okay, I'll probably end this at around +6, maybe 6+. Don't know. Player. What am I trying to do? I keep losing track of what I'm working on. Oh, okay, here, there we go. So let me just test it out. Test the debug console out. What if I do something like Oh, wait a second. No. I need to make sure it's a string. Don't know if it's weird to do that. Let's try something. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try printing out the player's current speed. Amanda, is the stream quality okay? Is it stuttering for you? It's fine so far. Okay. So I think it's stuttering quite a bit earlier. It's weird. Alright. There we go. That's terrible the way I'm using it. I guess I should pin like a value, so you know. I should pin like a specific slot so it doesn't just keep pushing the text upwards like that. Let me think. Yeah, I guess I should write a clear screen lock as well. Let's see. Clear screen lock. Alright, yeah, I didn't call it anyways. Okay, I think this should work. How do I improve it? I guess I can do this pin. That's my screen locks. Screen lock pin count equals to 0. What do I need to do now? Pin. No. That's not how it's supposed to be done. Let me think about this. Hi, big fan. You didn't eat dinner yesterday, just keep playing. You just keep playing Nocturne until 10. That's crazy. That's not good. You ate after you ended. Dinner at 10 p.m. Lock to screen. Hang on, I need to think about this. Oh, I see. I see. You woke up in the afternoon. Oh my god. Okay, DS least clear screen locks. I don't know. I want to pin certain locks onto the screen, like to pin to a specific slot. I'm just not quite sure how I should go about doing it. Must suck to be 39 years old. I'm not 39. Not yet. Not for quite a significant number of years. I think... Okay, I do want to pin it, but how do I implement it? It's gonna be different. Like, how do I remember who is the one who asked to pin this message? Yeah, how do I know who's the one who asked to pin this message? How do I save such a data? Oh my god, do I have to associate a name? Okay, fine. Let's put a name in there. Pin, comma, pin name. Pin name must be defined. My naming sense is terrible. If pin is true. Not that far away. What? How dare you, Amanda? TF2 remakes? Is it TF2 remake? No, it's not. Let me think about how to save this. It is? Really? How do you tell? Spy. Oh, I see. I see. It's using Scout's voice lines. I see. I see. I didn't even notice. Let me think, huh? Let me think, how should I do this? It's undefined. Testing, testing. Is this better? I queued my camera. My camera is also using the Wi-Fi. Okay, let's see. Just a moment. Okay, log to screen. I don't know, but I killed my camera. My camera was also like working over the Wi-Fi, so I thought, you know, maybe if I have lesser devices running using the Wi-Fi, it will be smoother for the stream. So yeah, I think that's what happened. Maybe Wi-Fi is just terrible today. Yeah. I might end the stream and then I'll see if I can fix this problem. Let me think. Pin name. What am I supposed to do with this? Screen locks. Pin names. If it's undefined, I forgot to finish this line. If it's undefined, set it to false, otherwise pin. Find index. Mind if cannot be found, got it. So if Let me think. I need to change the way I do things here. Need to change the way I do things here. What's up, Lucius? Are you able to hear me? Stream is back? Awesome, awesome. It was gone for a long time, eh? My bad. Maybe the Wi-Fi is just a bit more congested today. Like previously I've been streaming late nights, right? So, you know, less devices using the Wi-Fi maybe? Yeah, but I think I'll need to set up a wired connection. Tomorrow, I guess. When do you intend to play our game, by the way? What internet am I using? I no longer remember what is my internet plan. I no longer remember. You don't know, maybe 6:30 or something. I see. I see. Hang on, oh no, I need to change the way I do things here. I'll just... Okay, fine, I'll just do it like this. If I pin it, I need to do an early exit here. Singtel. I'm using Singtel. It's not really the internet. It's more like when you use the two PC to stream, you need to ensure that there's a wired connection between the two PC. But I did not do that. That's why the stream quality suffers sometimes. Hello, Kalazor. You're so bored in this meeting. I see. Do some coding. Just leave the meeting. Yeah. So hilarious. Assert dominance, yeah. I'll just do it naively, right? Well, cares about making it super clean. Okay, we'll see. Hang on. If message is to be pinned, no, hang on. Pinned messages have to be at the top. There we go. Val. Yes, this is there a way to insert? Ah, there we go, insert. Excuse me. Screen locks. Position would be let me think. Position, it needs to have a -1, comma. Value. Val. Next number, please. Just hard code it in here, it's fine. Let me think. Block size. Okay. Let me think. Suppose I only have 5 entries maximum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I have 1 pinned message. I have 4 regular messages. If I add 1 more to be pinned, then what's gonna happen is I will end. This will be end. This particular message will get pushed down. But the truth is, I want to delete it, so it will go from index 1 to index 2. Index 1 to index 2. Okay. I think the right answer. I think. See, I can just debug it, test it out, see if it actually works. But before that, let me just run it and see if it's still working properly. You have Epona now, finally. You can write instead of walking around. Nice! Iconic. Okay. So, pinned messages, I want to color it yellow, I guess. Epona. Isn't it called Epona? How else do you pronounce Epona? Why? How else do you pronounce Epona? I thought the entire gaming community, English-speaking gaming community, pronounce it Epona. Am I wrong? In Japan. Yes. Japanese, of course. Epona. Yeah, I mean that's Japanese, right? Epona. Yeah. I know. Akana, I understand. You're playing in Japanese. Right. Damn, I forgot what I was doing. Oh yes, I remember now. I don't think I'm doing it correctly. Am I doing it correctly? I can pin, but I have no way to remove the pin, I think. Screw it, right? Who needs to remove them? You're playing in Japanese, of course you're seeing the name in Japanese, right? But, were you previously not aware of the horse? Oh. I guess that's the first time Epona appears, right? In Ocarina. Right. So you couldn't have possibly heard about it. I see. Nobody likes Zelda. What? How dare you? You know about the horse, but you don't know the name. Ah, right. Yeah, I mean, the horse will appear over and over again in the series. What are you doing, Lucius? What are you doing? The eye lesser than pin. I'm just going to hardcode the color in there. It doesn't really matter for now. I can always change it later on if I need it, right? Refactor it. Default horse can defy gravity. They can run up slopes, right? Okay, hang on. What did I do wrong here? What the hell? Unexpected. Oh, my goodness. Did I fix it? Eh? Ayo. There we go. Okay, the problem is fixed. Now pin something. Excuse me, sorry about that. I'm going to pin it. I'll say true followed by. Actually, why do I need to have a separate boolean? Let me change it. I don't need to have a separate boolean, right? Why am I making it troublesome for myself? You used to climb the side of the mountain because you're too lazy to go the long way in Skyrim. Oh, you play Skyrim? Would you recommend it? I've never played Skyrim before. Is it like a friendly game for newbies like me? Virgin Bosses Ultra Chat Gun. What I was talking about? Pinned messages. Pinned message have to be at the top. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, I've never played Skyrim. I bought Oblivion, but I also never really played it. There's too many games to play, come on. There's too many games. And I don't really have like super powerful PC, you know, growing up, so I end up not playing them. We've never finished it, I see. Uninstall my gaming license. Have you played the original? Have you beat it? Have you beaten it? Okay, has been released like 10 times in the past. Yeah, I know. Oh, you have beaten the original Mario. I see. Impressive. You have both the original and the remake, right? The Super Nintendo remake. Yeah. I shouldn't be saying this, but you pirate. Oh, you pirated Skyrim. I see. Pirate. You're a pirate. Everyone points at Amanda. So surprised you could run on your MacBook back then. I see. Does it mean that it's an optimized game? I thought it was like super buggy at first. Ni hao, hello, Paila, hello, how's it going? I apologize if my stream is lagging. I'm having some Wi-Fi issues. How's it going? If I play Skyrim, I won't be able to finish my game. Yeah, I can see that happening. There were definitely bugs, right? So I'm just making changes to my debug console, you know, so that it'll be easier for me to debug certain things in the future. So debug list underscore add. Okay. Trying to get back on track with your life, but doing mildly okay. That's good. Good to know. Good to know. Played Skyrim at least 4 separate times. Once the original, then the original with mods, then special edition, then special edition with mods. Right. It's infinitely replayable, I assume. Well, are you working on any projects at the moment? Any games? Am I doing this correctly, eh? If it is undefined, if it's not undefined, okay. Then I will, okay. This seems fine. It seems fine. So what I do is, I will just say current speed x. Something like that. So this is the name. We're trying to make a micro game using Click Team Fusion, a pseudo tower defense game using a copycat of the Malayan. Nice. Always nice to have a Malayan character in games. What do you mean by pseudo tower defense? Oh my god, why do I have so many pin? Oh my god, oh no. This is not working out correctly. Oh, of course. Of course. It's supposed to be... Let me think. Oh no, let me think. My logic is flawed. Index. Find index. So I'll put index here. Equals to val. Something like that? Yeah. Should have thought about it. Check my Discord. What happened? Oh. Where do you get that photo? This is from Nocturne, right? That's why you're showing me, right? Is it from Nocturne? I don't know. Oh my god, it's broken. Oh my god, my code is broken. God bloody damn it. Look at the second. Wait, there's a second picture. Stop it with your Among Us thing. Is that real? Couldn't tell. You mean the tattoo? I don't know, man. How do you tell? It looks like it's sticked on, is it? I don't know. I don't know. How do you tell? Show while on stream. Among Us. What's so interesting about it? McDonald's Among Us shaped nugget from BTS meal. I don't get it. 1400 $1,400 for a nugget. Crazy. It's a meme. Selling for $1,400. Yeah, is it for real or is it a meme? I don't know. It's both. BTS fans. I'm sorry, I'm not informed on stuff like this. Oh, I added the wrong thing. Look at that. I added the wrong value. Dreaming. You thought BTS was behind this? Are you serious? Even I have heard of them. Even though I have never really watched any of listened to any of their songs. I thought that they are everywhere on social media, you know. Like people will just post random BTS gif. There we go. There we go. It's pinned. So I'm gonna try pinning a few more things, okay? Let's try pinning a few more things. I'm going to pin, say, what's a good thing to pin? What's a good thing to pin? I'm going to pin the state. I'm going to pin the state. State, like that, and state, okay? And then I'm going to log like random rubbish in here. So I'm going to log like hello, something like that, and then we'll see. No, wait. Hello wouldn't help. Hello wouldn't help. It has to be something persistent so I can tell what's going on. Move direction, I guess. Like that, okay. Hey, the term PTS used to mean I see. Has been used for a long time before BTS debut, I see. But you know, it's Lucius we are talking about. Of course you know the band. Ah, I see. Understood, understood. My apologies. Hey? No, my P message is broken. Oh, bloody hell. Okay, of course my logic is flawed again. So, it's the way I delete the start 0 which is wrong. I need to delete it from ds list underscore size something. Let me think, eh? So if my size is 2, I need to draw it out, otherwise I wouldn't be able to get it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now add a new one in here. I want to end up erasing this. So this is 0, 1, 2. Okay. The pin names is correct. Yeah, let's try that. You don't even know why they are called BTS. They are not called that in Korea. Really? I don't know that. I see. Learned something new today. There we go. Let me see if I jump, right? Let's see if the state changes. There we go. 2, 3, 4. Yes. Yeah. This is just what I want. It is correct now. It's correct now. Oh. It's correct now. I guess I have to label this, right? Oh, that's the actual name, I see. Nah, screw it, I'm not going to label it. I'll just keep it like this. Let's collect only half of it. Let's see. Yeah? Yeah, it's working now. Na 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 na. Ah, crap. I think I got it. Ta-da! Okay. 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 I don't have any ways to undo the pinned message, so let's just code that in, I guess. I don't really need it though. Oh, that's screen lock. You know what? I'll just have a clear screen lock, which will also clear the pin names. Right? And then I'm done. Look at that, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I think I can. I think I can probably end soon. The numbers set aside for for debugging purposes. I can print any number I want, I suppose. So for example, if I need to, if I need to visually tell what my character speed is, right? Then I write something like this: log to screen. I want to log the current speed, something like that. So many avatars at the bottom. Really? Alright, even though it's laggy, I'm surprised. Anyways, yeah, I think I'm gonna end my stream soon. Let me just make sure I got everything done. There's one avatar new 2020. Could it be a bot? Is it a bot? I don't know. There are some bots like a community. There's one called Community Showcase. I think that's a bot. So yeah, this is my pinned message. You can tell, right? From here, I can immediately see what is my character speed, right? And I can pin other stuff as well. Like for example, I can pin stuff like check this out. I can pin, say, number of. I can like instance number, right? And then I will put like O_key, and then I'll say key number. And that way, I can also print out the number of keys in the scene. See, that means I have a lot of bots watching my stream today. Okay, there we go. Something like this. There we go. There are 4 keys. So if I collect something, ta-da! 3 keys, 2 keys, 1 key, 0 key, something like that. It's just information, like it helps to make debugging, easier, hopefully. Right? Otherwise, I will have to always keep looking at the bottom here. I have to do like show debug message and then look at it, which isn't very it's not very ideal. Yeah, even though I tend to do that a lot because I'm lazy. But yeah, that's about it. Give me one quick moment. So it will not. Yeah, of course, it will not appear in the final. Can you imagine if those numbers appear in the final game? There are a lot of things that will I'll have to remove in the final example. For example, hang on, just a moment, let it compile. It's taking a while. Secret info. For example, what is it? Oh, it's already compiled. Take a look at this. If you notice, right, there's this red box here. Yeah, this is only for debugging purpose. It's not supposed to be in the final game. All the numbers here, 3, 3, 3, these are all debug information. Yeah, I'll have to get rid of them. It's just meant for my eyes only. Yep, so I think I will do a recap. I'll do a recap right now. So what I did today, I did some refactoring of my debug console. So my debug console is supposed to recognize certain commands that I type into the console, and go about it wasn't very ideal at first, right? Because I thought I'm only supporting a few commands, so I just write it as a series of ifs. But after a while, it appears that it wouldn't be very scalable, so I changed the way I'm doing things. I ended up storing all of the right for each command in a map. Where is it? In a map like this, so I can invoke the function like like this. Like this. I get the callback function from within the map itself, and then I make a call to it. Right, so if it is a non-valid function, if it's non-valid, nothing happens. If it's non-valid, nothing happens, see. But if it's valid, then I will go to the correct level. There we go, level 78. So that's the first thing I've done. The next thing I went on to do is I added the screen. Oops, I shouldn't have turned off the game. The next thing I went to do is I added logging to the screen. Right, just to print that information onto the screen. It allows for easier debugging, I suppose. Right, rather than looking at the console and checking out the debug data. Yeah, so I opt to print the information onto the screen, which hopefully will make things a bit more easier to handle, I think, from this point on. So there are a few things that I've done. One thing is there's this difference between pinned messages and messages that keep rotating in and out. Like, I'm not quite sure what's the right word for it, but for example, the data that I always want to see, right? I will pin it to a specific slot. So for example, the first slot here, right? It's the speed X of the player, right? And the next one, the number here represents the state. Is it a state? No, it's a number of keys. My bad. It represents the number of keys. So I'm just doing some tests. I can also just print stuff to the screen. Something like if I collect a key, right? Let me see. If I collect a key, I guess I can do something like this: debug console log to screen. Right? I can just do, hey, collected, something like that. Collected. Let's run it. See if it works. I haven't quite properly tested it yet. Okay, so if there are keys, right, in the scene, there we go. If there are keys in the scene, right, you should print like collected. Try collected, and then I'm going to collect another one. Collected. See, there we go. It will keep logging more and more messages until it runs maximum slot, and then the older message will get deleted. You're about to head off now, swim. Got to exercise during the local lockdown. Oh, okay. Have a good one. Paila. Thanks for dropping by. Hope to see you again, man. Thanks, man. I'll see you. Right. Hopefully, this whole situation starts improving, right? And then we can have like indie get together again. The lag earlier. The lag in or in the game? Oh man, I really need to fix this lagging issue. Anyway, that's it. Let me check something. Am I still lagging? The stream. Oh my god. Am I still lagging? Let me check something. I don't know who I can read. Never mind, no reading then. Okay. Just a bit, I see. Okay, thanks everyone for hanging around. Thank you so much. I will be back to work again on my game very soon. Yeah, hopefully I can finish up the UI. UI always bugging me. me just get rid of a few lines. I don't want to forget about removing them. Let's get rid of them. Get rid of this. Okay, I'm done. Okay. Turn down the volume. Okay, thank you so much. Hope to see you all again very soon. Bye bye.